Let's learn color-changing animals. Chameleon. Chameleons don't change color just to hide. They change color to show feelings, like being happy, scared, or angry, like mood rings. Octopus. Octopuses can change color and shape. They blend into rocks, sand, or coral in just 1 second. Their skin has special color cells called chromatophores. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish are color-changing ninjas. They can turn striped, spotted, or plain to trick predators and catch food, even in total darkness. Squidfish. Squids flash colors like disco lights. Some deep-sea squids use color pulses to communicate with other squids underwater. Flounderfish.
Wow!
Flounderfish hide on the ocean floor. They change color to match the sand and become invisible from sharks and people. Leaf-tailed gecko.
Wow!
Leaf-tailed geckos look like dead leaves. They don't just change color, they have leaf-shaped tails to trick their enemies. Arctic fox. Arctic foxes change color with seasons. In winter, they turn white like snow. In summer, they become brown or gray to blend into rocks and grass. Seahorse.
Wow!
Seahorses can camouflage too. Male seahorses show off bright colors when finding a mate. They also match seaweed to hide. Panther chameleon. Panther chameleons change colors for fashion. When they want to impress a girl chameleon or scare another male, they flash bright neon colors.
Thank you for watching.